Welcome to Singapore Changi Airport, consistently ranked as the best airport in the world. If you're lucky enough to have an 8-hour layover in Singapore, you'll find that this world-renowned hub offers more than just a gateway for travel. From the incredible amenities inside the airport to the vibrant culture and breathtaking landmarks outside, this is your chance to make every moment of your layover count. Welcome to Sydtravella. Whether you're a first-time visitor or returning to capture more content for your travel vlog, this itinerary covers everything from Singapore's iconic skyline to a unique Singapore airport video opportunity. Let's dive into this adventure. With so much to do at Changi Airport and in Singapore, travelers often struggle to prioritize what to see. Navigating from the airport to the city and back within a limited window can be daunting. With countless dining options, travelers may find it hard to choose between the airport's high-end restaurants and the authentic street food in the city. Changi Airport is famous for its indoor gardens, theaters, and entertainment spots, and travelers want to make the most of these features during their layover. With limited time, travelers want to see at least a few of Singapore's famous landmarks and experience the local culture. Getting from the airport to the city and back in a timely manner is crucial to making the most of the layover. Travelers often worry that they'll get too caught up in sightseeing and won't make it back in time. Unexpected traffic on the way to or from the city could cut into valuable layover time. Singapore's urban sprawl and fast-paced environment can be intimidating, especially if time is short. But with the right plan, you can minimize these worries and maximize your experience. Let the Singapore adventure begin. Once you've cleared customs at Singapore Changi Airport, it's time to head into the city. On Google Maps, you'll see that the Singapore MRT, Mass Rapid Transit, is your best option for an efficient and direct ride into the heart of Singapore. From Terminal 2 or 3, hop on the MRT's East-West line, which will take you to Marina Bay in about 40 to 45 minutes. As you ride the MRT, you'll get your first glimpse of Singapore's well-organized public transport system. The trains are clean, air-conditioned, and offer a smooth ride through the bustling metropolis. The anticipation builds as you approach Marina Bay, home to some of the city's most iconic landmarks. Time check! You've made it to the city, and your Singapore adventure is just beginning. Kick off your layover with a visit to Marina Bay Sands, one of Singapore's most iconic buildings. On Google Maps, you'll see it's just a short walk from the MRT station. Spend about 45 minutes here, taking in the stunning views of the Singapore skyline from the Sky Park observation deck. As you step onto the observation deck, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the city, the bay, and beyond. Snap photos of the futuristic skyline and the majestic gardens by the bay below. This is a prime spot for your Singapore vlog, and you can capture a time-lapse of the bustling city below. If time permits, consider visiting the shops at Marina Bay Sands, where luxury meets lifestyle in a beautifully designed retail space. The atmosphere here is electric, and you might just spot a few planes taking off from Changi in the distance. Time check! You've seen the iconic skyline, and there's plenty more to explore. From Marina Bay Sands, it's just a 10-minute walk to Gardens by the Bay, an awe-inspiring example of modern design and sustainable urban development. On Google Maps, you'll see this massive park is home to the famous Super Tree Grove and two massive conservatories, the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest. Spend about an hour here, exploring the lush greenery, unique sculptures, and the futuristic super trees. The Super Tree Grove is especially popular with vloggers and photographers for its towering tree-like structures that light up at night. If you're looking for a bit of a thrill, take a walk along the OCBC Skyway, a 128-meter-long aerial walkway that connects two super trees and offers incredible views of the park below. If you're filming a Singapore vlog, this is the perfect place to capture the blend of nature and technology that makes Singapore so unique. Time check! You've experienced a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city, and the adventure continues. After a morning of sightseeing, it's time for food. On Google Maps, you'll see that Chinatown is just a 15-minute MRT ride away from Gardens by the Bay, or a 10-minute taxi ride if you prefer. Chinatown is one of Singapore's most vibrant neighborhoods, famous for its rich cultural heritage and authentic street food. Spend about an hour exploring the bustling streets and markets, and grab lunch at one of the many hawker stalls or local eateries. You can't go wrong with a plate of Hainanese chicken rice or a steaming bowl of laksa, both local favorites. Be sure to also visit Chinatown Complex Food Center, where some of the best and most affordable meals can be found. Take this time to recharge and get a taste of Singapore's culinary scene for your travel vlog. Time check! You've refueled with delicious local cuisine, and there's plenty of time for more exploration. No trip to Singapore would be complete without seeing the Merlion, the half-fish, half-lion statue that symbolizes Singapore's heritage. On Google Maps, you'll see that the Merlion Park is just a 10-minute taxi ride or a 15-minute walk from Chinatown. Spend about 45 minutes here taking in the iconic waterfront views and snapping some photos of the Merlion with the city skyline in the background. This is a must-visit spot for any Singapore vlog, and it's a great way to showcase the blend of Singapore's history and its modern-day success. As you stroll along the waterfront, you'll also catch views of Marina Bay sands and the Singapore Flyer, creating a picturesque scene that will make your vlog stand out. Time check! You're making great progress, and it's time to experience a more modern side of the city. Next up is a visit to Singapore's most famous shopping street, Orchard Road. On Google Maps, you'll see it's about a 10-minute taxi ride from Merlion Park. Orchard Road is known for its high-end shops, luxurious malls, and vibrant atmosphere. Spend about an hour wandering through the shops or simply taking in the sights and sounds of this bustling area. If you're a fan of luxury shopping, this is the place to be, with flagship stores from top brands like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and more. For a unique Singapore experience, stop by the Ion Orchard Mall's observation deck for panoramic views of the city, or visit Plaza Singapura for more affordable and eclectic shopping options. This is a great spot to capture the energy and fast pace of Singapore for your travel vlog. Time check! You've explored a different side of Singapore, and there's still more to come. As your layover draws to a close, it's time to return to Singapore Changi Airport. On Google Maps, you'll see it's about a 25-minute taxi ride or a 35-minute MRT ride from Orchard Road. However, your adventure isn't over yet. Before your flight, make sure to visit Jewel Changi Airport, the airport's crown jewel. Yep, pun intended. Spend about an hour here admiring the rain vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall surrounded by lush indoor gardens. The Canopy Park also offers incredible views and fun attractions, including a walking net, a hedge maze, and even a Singapore airport swimming pool where you can unwind after a busy day. This is the perfect location for a final video segment in your Singapore vlog, showcasing why Changi Airport is considered the best airport in the world. Don't forget to visit some of the high-end shops or grab a bite at one of the gourmet eateries in the Jewel complex before heading to your gate. Time check! You've made it back to the airport with plenty of time to spare, and your layover experience has been nothing short of amazing. Before your Singapore Airlines flight, make sure to check your passport, boarding pass, and gate information to ensure everything is in order. Also, keep your phone handy with the Singapore Airport app installed for any last-minute updates or gate changes. With your layover complete, you're ready for the next adventure. You've experienced the very best of Singapore in just 8 hours, from the dazzling Marina Bay sands to the serene gardens by the bay. And you've even explored the futuristic wonderland of Jewel Changi Airport. Whether you're creating a Singapore travel vlog or just looking to capture memories for yourself, this whirlwind layover has shown you why Singapore is a global destination like no other. Safe travels, and don't forget, every layover is a chance to explore a new corner of the world. Make it count. Turn every travel into an awesome adventure. Until next time!